Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll learn how computers actually think. You'll discover what algorithms are, how they help computers make decisions, and how you can start thinking like a coder to solve any problem step by step. Let's say I tell you, make a peanut butter sandwich. Easy, right? But if I tell a computer the same thing, it gets confused. Why? Because computers don't guess. They need exact, detailed steps. An algorithm. An algorithm is a clear set of step by step instructions used to solve a problem. You already use algorithms daily, like tying your shoes, brushing your teeth, or following a recipe. When you make a sandwich, you follow steps in order. If you mix them up, it won't work. Computers follow the exact same logic. If your steps are wrong or missing, the program fails. Computers don't understand goals or emotions. They just follow what you can tell them, exactly as written. That's why good coders think carefully about every step and every condition before they write code. Algorithms often include decisions. For example, if the light is green, go, else stop. This is how computers make choices. It's called conditional logic. Before writing real code, programmers use something called pseudocode, a mix of plain English and coding logic, to plan algorithms. It's like writing the recipe before cooking. Now it's your turn. Think about one thing you can do every day, like brushing your teeth or unlocking your phone. Now write the exact steps you take. Be specific. Pretend you're explaining it to a robot that knows nothing. Every program you'll ever write starts with an algorithm. Whether it's a calculator, a game, or AI, it all begins by designing clear logical steps. So, the key takeaways are that an algorithm is a set of clear ordered steps to solve a problem. Computers follow them exactly. Good coding means thinking like a computer, logical, detailed, and organized. In the next video, we'll take whatever you've learned right now and write your first real code in Python. Thank you.